Rogers Ignite TV boot loops occur when your set-top box, like the Xi6, repeatedly restarts without fully loading, often showing a logo or error message. This is typically due to corrupted software, cache data, outdated firmware, or less commonly, hardware issues. To quickly resolve it, first try a simple power cycle. Unplug the box, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. If the boot loop persists, proceed to clearing the cache to remove temporary corrupted files. As of late 2025, Rogers has rolled out firmware updates like 7.2.1 with enhanced diagnostic tools to reduce these issues. The automated smart recovery feature via the Ignite app may also help remotely reboot the device. Check Rogers community forums for real-time updates and common solutions if problems continue after this initial troubleshooting. If a simple power cycle doesn't fix the boot loop, clearing the cache is the next step. To do this, unplug the Rogers box, wait 30 seconds, and then hold the power button while plugging it back in. This can remove problematic temporary data. If that doesn't work, a factory reset is the final option. This will restore the device to its original settings, erasing all user data and customizations. Access the factory reset via the device's menu, Settings, System, Reset, or by holding the reset pin for 10 seconds on Xi6 models. Be aware that a factory reset will require you to re-enter your account information and preferences. Remember to ensure a stable internet connection, at least 25 megabytes per sec, and keep your firmware updated to prevent future boot loops. If issues persist, contact Rogers support, as it may indicate a more complex problem or hardware failure.